Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about hair. So you guys know that recently I bleached my hair and then I dyed it back to black, and I would say I was blonde for like 2 months maybe, or a little bit more, a little bit less. It did damage on my hair. Like, this thing is so bad and I'm trying to treat it so good. So today is all about the products that I've been using. Okay, so the first thing is this wet brush. There's a piece of hair in it, sorry. But yeah, this wet brush, I got it for $2 at TJ Maxx, and it's a detangler brush, so it's very gentle on the hair. You can see the bristles. I really like this brush because it helps detangle my hair when it's wet or when it's dry. It doesn't matter what it is. But other brushes will be very harsh on my damaged hair. I've been using a detangler brush ever since like last year or 2 years ago, but I just got the wet brush and I really like this one better because it's better for my damaged hair. The other one, the bristles don't grip the hair good enough, so it will like make my hair stretch. So my hair right now is damaged, so when it's wet my hair is extra stretchy. So with this brush, it helps to grab it without stretching it too far. Like, this thing is just really helpful for damaged hair because it doesn't hurt your hair either. The second thing I like is the Argan Oil of Morocco by Organics. Yeah, Organics. I only use this on the bottom of my hair. I've been using this for a while, even before I bleached my hair. But I use this on my ends because it helps stop frizz and it helps make it shinier and smoother, and also helps prevent split ends. And on here it says, an extra powerful blend of argan oil to deeply heal, smooth, and restore luster to damaged, dry, and coarse hair. I think everybody experiences this whether you have damaged hair or not. Your ends are more dry than the top of your head because your scalp produces oil while the bottom of your hair is just like, I'm just here. But especially since I have damaged hair, I need moisture down here because this is extra dry. Like, I took all the nutrients out of these, and so I need to add moisture to it. The next item, which I'm not really like specific on, you don't have to get this specific product, but what I'm gonna say is a repairing mask for your hair. So basically like a deep conditioner. And this one is the one from Garnier, the Whole Blends Repairing Mask with Honey. When I use this in the shower. I only use it once every week or once every 2 weeks, depending on how I'm feeling. I just focus it down here in this section where my hair isn't attached to my scalp, because we all know if you have an oily hair, then conditioner can make the oils worse, and the next day your hair would be oily faster. So I really like this because it has honey in it, and honey helps retain moisture in your hair. Since my hair is dry, especially down here, I really need that, and that helps it. And it also helps strengthen your hair, which I need because since my hair is so stringy now, especially when it's wet, it can break easily, and I don't want that to happen because I don't want like choppy hair, you know, like unevenness. So I'm trying to grow my hair as efficiently as possible. The next thing that I would like to talk about is biotin vitamins. I got this one at Costco. I've been using this ever since I cut my hair short, which was a long time ago, like 2 years ago, and I was trying to regrow my hair for prom. This is what I was using, and it was working because, girl, I grew hair so fast for like how short it was. And I also grew hair on my arms. Like, my arms used to not be this hairy, but it is super hairy now. Everybody knows that biotin promotes healthy hair, skin, and nails. And if you lack biotin, you might notice that you lose hair easily. And since I have damaged hair, I lose hair easily. I don't know if biotin helps make your hair shinier or like whatever, but I know that it helps grow your hair, and that's the main reason why I'm taking this, to grow my hair so I can get my healthy hair back and then chop all of this unhealthy hair off my head. So the next thing I want to talk about is my silk pillowcase. This pillowcase I got at TJ Maxx for like $8 or $7, and I heard that silk pillowcases are the best for your hair, not only your hair but also your skin. Since the surface is so smooth, it will help your hair and not make it so frizzy when you wake up in the morning. Like, I wake up now with such frizzy hair, or I used to, and then I started using this pillowcase. I like how cooling it is compared to a 100% cotton pillowcase. The silk pillowcase will help you with your split ends as well and help prevent them from happening. So yeah, I like it because it's cooling, helps with my frizz, my bed head, and also my split ends. So yeah, those are the only 5 items that I'm going to be talking about today, because that's what I've been using recently. And if you have damaged hair, I hope this video helps you. I mean, you guys can try these products out. I really recommend them. I really like them. Like, I do use these like all the time. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.